Okay, so we're going to look at sharing £300 into different fractional amounts. So we're splitting it into finding 1/3 of £300, 2/3 of £300, and then 3/5 of £300. So first of all, I'm going to find 1/3. So I'm going to split my £300 into 3 equal parts. And to do that, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to do 300 divided by 3. I know that because my denominator is 3. So you can use any method of division to help you out. I'm going to use division by bus stop method. So 300 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 0 divided by 3 is 0. And 0 divided by 3 is 0. So £300 divided by 3 is £100. So each of these sections, each of these thirds, is £100. So if I wanted to find out 1/3 of £300, I can see that's just £100. So I can write that up there. Now, if I wanted to find 2/3 of £300, actually, a lot of the work's already been done for me. Because the first thing I'd want to do is to find 1/3 of £300. I'd want to do 300 divided by 3. And I've done that already. So I already know that 1/3 is equal to, 1/3 of £300 is equal to £100. So if I wanted to find 2/3, all I'm going to do is times that by 2, times it by the numerator. So 100 times by 2 is going to equal £200. So 2/3 of £300 is £200. Now I'm going to find 3/5 of £300. And the process is exactly the same. I'm going to split it into fifths because my denominator is 5. So I've got a rectangle to represent what's going on. Got my 3/5. And I need to find out what 1/5 is. So to do that, I'm going to do 300 divided by 5. Again, use whatever division method you're comfortable with. I'm using the bus stop method. 3 divided by 5, that doesn't go, so I'm going to carry that over. 30 divided by 5, that goes in 6 times evenly, and 0 divided by 5, that doesn't go. So 300 divided by 5 is equivalent to £60. So 1/5 of this amount is £60, so each one of these is £60. Now, if I was asked for 1/5, my work would be done, but I'm not. I'm asked for 3/5. So I'm going to times it by 3. 60 times by 3 is equivalent to 180. So 3/5 of £300 is £180. We want to make sure we're always remembering our units every time. So what are we doing when we're finding a fraction of an amount? Well, in every case, we're dividing by the denominator to find out what one of that fraction is, 1/3, 1/5, 1/7, whatever. And then we're timesing by the numerator to find out how much we are asked for in the question, either 1/3, 2/3, or 3/5 of what we've got here.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.